Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Corner by Kay. In today's shadowing practice, we're going to practice 100 everyday English sentences. Leave your fear and insecurities behind. Pay close attention to the pronunciation and speed, and shadow along with me. Don't worry if your words aren't perfect. Just focus on making progress. One day you'll achieve perfection. Until then, don't give up. Now take a deep breath, relax, listen, speak. Let's get started. I think you're right. I think you're right. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? Please speak a little slower. Please speak a little slower. I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. What do you mean? What do you mean? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Here's a quick question for you. What type of sentences would you like to practice in the next shadowing video? Let me know in the comments below and I'll create a video on the topic with the most requests. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate your help. Thanks for waiting. Thanks for waiting. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. I missed you. I missed you. Good job. We've completed 20 sentences so far. Keep going. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about it. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. I don't feel like going out. I don't feel like going out. I can't decide right now. I can't decide right now. I'll let you know later. I'll let you know later. I'll call you when I arrive. I'll call you when I arrive. Please remind me tomorrow. Please remind me tomorrow. How are you feeling right now practicing these sentences? Let me know in the comments. I forgot to bring my wallet. I forgot to bring my wallet. I left my phone at home. I left my phone at home. I can't find my keys. I can't find my keys. Have you seen my bag? Have you seen my bag? I'll look for it. I'll look for it. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I made a small mistake. I made a small mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It happens sometimes. It happens sometimes. That's completely fine. That's completely fine. We're almost halfway through. You need to understand that you're making a progress every day. Keep going. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? Let's meet another day. Let's meet another day. I'll be there on time. I'll be there on time. I'm running a little late. I'm running a little late. Please wait for a few minutes. Please wait for a few minutes. I'll finish this first. I'll finish this first. Let's start now. Let's start now. We can do it together. We can do it together. We've made it halfway through. Wonderful! Let's finish this together. That's exactly what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. I don't think so. I don't think so. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. I have a different opinion. I have a different opinion. That's interesting. That's interesting. I never thought about that. I never thought about that. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. Good luck with your work. Good luck with your work. Good job, my friend. Only the most dedicated learners make it this far. Keep going. You've already crossed the halfway mark. Just 40 more sentences to go. You've got this. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? Would you like to join us? Would you like to join us? Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to ask questions. Take your time. Take your time. There's no need to hurry. There's no need to hurry. Don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to try. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. You'll get better soon. You'll get better soon. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. That's a wonderful idea. That's a wonderful idea. I like the way you think. I like the way you think. You did a great job. You did a great job. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Wow, the finish line is so close. Only 25 sentences stand between you and the finish line. Don't give up. Keep going. I couldn't understand it. I couldn't understand it. Now I understand everything. Now I understand everything. That was easier than I expected. That was easier than I expected. It was harder than I thought. It was harder than I thought. I learned something new today. I learned something new today. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you prefer? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? May I sit here? May I sit here? Is everything ready? Is everything ready? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? What's your favorite one? What's your favorite one? Who told you that? Who told you that? Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? When did this happen? When did this happen? We're almost at the end. Just 10 sentences more. You're just rocking. Why did you choose this? Why did you choose this? How did you do that? How did you do that? I completely forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. That's a good question. That's a good question. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. Let's talk about it later. Let's talk about it later. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. It was worth the effort. It was worth the effort. Thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your understanding. See you again soon. See you again soon. Congratulations! You just completed 100 everyday English sentences. That's not something everyone can do, but you did it. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Every sentence you practice brings you one step closer to speaking English confidently. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.